Welcome students to week 11 to Critical Thinking Online. This week we're going to discover and explore what it means to become an ethical reasoner. You've dealt with chapter 11. We talked about the two barriers to ethical reasoning and fair-mindedness, and that was egocentricity and sociocentricity. And we saw in chapter 12 how those type of isms are manifest in the media, and how the media can use those kind of propensities to indoctrinate and even brainwash people and promote propaganda that's maybe just not true. And then chapter 13, which you'll be reading for this week, we're going to further elaborate on some of the fallacies in reasoning that some of those egocentricities or sociocentricities use. And we've talked about that even before the midterm, some of the two basic groups, either irrelevancy or insufficient evidence, that most of the fallacies kind of fall into those two groups. But then in chapter 14 this week, you're going to discover what it means to be an ethical reasoner. And the wonderful site that I really enjoy, and the one video that I have posted for you that was produced by the Youth for Human Rights International group, I think you'll really enjoy that. And you look at the 30 Declaration of Human Rights, they really embody what Elder and Paul in the textbook would really define as ethical reasoning. So this week you will continue working on your article analyses. You'll have two articles to analyze this week. One which is fairly straightforward and easy, the Edwards use of crass exploitation of Reeves in stem cell research. That article I think will be fairly easy. But then I threw in another article analysis that I want you to utilize, and that's on the myth of objectivity in the media. And you'll be engaged in another student-threaded discussion, number 8, using Edwards' article in your analyses. You'll share that with your teammates, and as well as you will then do the myth article analysis and put that in a Dropbox for me. But then, above all, you're going to be starting to really concentrate on your final project. You're moving into the last stretch of the course, and the final project, it'll be either a personal or professional project that you're going to define and explore and research that'll help you either personally or professionally. And that's up to you to decide. I want you to be able to utilize and harness all that you've learned about critical thinking up to this point in the course, and then direct it and focus it on either a personal development project or a professional development project of your choice that'll help you utilize critical thinking so that not only are you a better thinker, but you're also living better, either personally or in a professional way. So I put some examples for you, and you'll have as well the folder. Please read that over very carefully, because next week I'll ask you to post your topic and purpose and more information I'll be requesting of you. So anyway, be working on that, and because we're going to be moving quickly towards the end of the semester, and I want you to finish well and finish strong. So anyway, I hope you have a great week. That should pretty well do it. And I enjoyed your quiz and your logs I've read over. By the way, I have posted the quiz of quiz 3 so that you can see how I would have responded and analyzed that article. Most of you, I should have, if not all of you, that responded and actually posted quiz 3. I attached that key to you, that quiz 3 key that I would have that I used to grade. So look that over carefully, and if you somehow didn't post a quiz for 3, look that over especially because you haven't seen it before. And that'll help you look and discover a little bit more clearly what I expect in quiz 5. Quiz 5 will be another article analysis, and hopefully you'll see improvement from quiz 3 to quiz 5. And again, critical thinking is a skill, and we're going to keep practicing it. So I'll give you 2 practice exercises this week, and as we continue to hone our ability to use critical thinking to analyze articles and other written pieces. So anyway, have a great week, and may God bless. Take care. Bye.